Hello there guys and gals, good midnight to each and every one of you. Take a look at this snail walking alone in the middle of the street while it's raining. Hello snail, how are you? I'm gonna transfer you to a safer place, okay? Be careful. You might hit by a car or any motorcycle and then you'll get cracked. You might get die, okay? See that? Say hello to our viewers. The snail is some kind of a kind and not being shy. See that? And there's a motorcycle. See that? Otherwise, if I may not hear, you are already cracked. Okay? So I'm gonna put you in here. Take good care in there. Baby snail. Guys, save snails and other animals.